Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So here we have someone, looks like they might be making some kind of vase here, if I had to guess. Oh, okay, so they're putting some electrical here. So they're actually making some kind of lamp or lighting. I love the fall nail colors, by the way. So pretty with the brown. Oh, wow. What a unique idea. Okay, but I wonder how she's gonna keep this balanced. Okay. Wow, that is pretty nifty. Very clever. Such a unique piece as well. Definitely a statement piece. Like if you have people come over, they're gonna look at that and be like, oh, that's so cool. All right, so DIY idea. This is using some type of old soap bottle here. Spray paint, painting it black. Going in with the granite. So you're basically taking a boring plastic container or soap bottle that you use and then turning it into something that looks a little bit more high end. I love this idea. And a very easy project idea to replicate as well. Very cool. And obviously you can reuse it over and over again and people would never know. I like how she showed us her washing her hands. That's a really pretty sink too. I love the matte black faucet. All right, so then we have some modeling clay here. Foil. Oh, they're making a pumpkin. Oh, this is cute. Wow. And then they painted it orange. That's nice. DIYing your own little clay pumpkins. I love it. Autumn style. So they are doing Decorate with Me. So they have an autumn in here, placing the books on there. I love watching these kind of videos because it gives you inspiration for what you want to do with your own home as far as decor is concerned. But my home is already decorated for the fall. I think I did that the last week of August. I was like, I need to enjoy this season. Very pretty, like statement pieces here. I'm actually not seeing a lot of like fall decor. I just see a lot of like neutrals, which is fine. Okay, so we got like hints of fall with the pumpkin on the side and the pillows. That's cute. Sometimes, you know, when you decorate for the season, you don't have to go like all out. You can just put like little accents for stuff and just kind of like accent it, and it doesn't have to be like a big, you know, statement piece. So we have some kind of crate here, some little wooden pieces. You could also do this with like a cardboard box. I think I've seen that before. Oh, you would need a lot of those sticks though to go around all of that. That crate is pretty big. Oh, they used it for their yarn. Okay. I was wondering because that was a pretty like big box, but you could use this like in your bathroom, you know, lots of different ways that you could decorate with that. That could easily be a toilet paper holder. All right, so here's another clay inspired DIY. Oops, I think I know what they're making. I think they're making, I don't know why I said oops, but yeah, I think they're making some type of vase here. Yeah, this kind of style is very popular right now. And you can do like different sizes. Most often I see them done in like the neutral hues. Very pretty. I love the simplicity of this particular project. Alright, you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.